In this aid, we will voice our very own and market's viewpoint on AMP future while examining AMP cost gauge for 2023 and then some, which in every practical sense is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to truly believe this in any quite other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything generally in every practical sense is a difficult errand, most certainly not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like AMP, most certainly kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, how about we head into it, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, before we dive kind of profound into the AMP value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that AMP really is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will AMP entirely succeed or in a real sense fall flat, or for what reason will AMP value rise or drop? We should rapidly most certainly toss a look at what in every practical sense is AMP and its to-date history, especially most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. What essentially is AMP crypto, which truly is genuinely critical. AMP most certainly is a type of digital money that goes about as insurance, in every practical sense, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The cryptographic money basically is at present utilized in this job to help the Flexo organization in a really significant manner, or so they thought. That basically explicitly implies it can commonly be utilized to sort of cover any monetary exchanges that really turn out badly, assuming that the need emerges in a kind of significant manner. Or so they thought. At present, the crypto by and large truly is cooperated with in every practical sense. A few administrations, certainly for the most part like Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, and Uniswap, especially further appearance how actually basically kindly by and large in a real sense. Remember that you ought to really believe this and any really other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything truly is an unpleasant undertaking. Most certainly not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like AMP, which essentially is genuinely critical, which explicitly is genuinely huge. It's likewise worth bringing up that there generally is a proper worth of AMP available for use to really shield it from instability for the most part. Flexa generally is an installment network that permits clients to explicitly spend Bitcoin and reasonably in every practical sense. Other cryptographic forms of money at retailers, especially like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's, in a pretty fundamentally enormous manner. Flexa installment generally is acknowledged in more than 40,000 stores in the US and Canada, which truly is very critical. Utilizing Flexa, you can generally make moment and extortion-resistant installment to retailers without the need to explicitly uncover fundamentally delicate, really private data in a very essentially significant manner basically. As a Flexa client, kind of sort of your spending limit basically sort of is essentially explicitly covered at $US $250 each week, which resets to $0 each Friday, which explicitly is very critical. AMP basically for the most part is the kind of symbolic that truly makes Flexa's moment installment authorizations pretty entirely conceivable in a significant manner, which is very huge. Consider AMP publicly supported security i.e. in an unpretentious manner, security to decentralize installment risk, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, which especially is very critical. As an AMP holder, you can stake AMP tokens, which will explicitly fundamentally be utilized to ensure installment exchanges in various monetary standards. Or so they especially thought. AMP value expectation for the following 10 days, which basically is genuinely huge. The especially beautiful entire crypto world really is on an edge of an extremely complete breakdown. Bitcoin certainly especially has fallen 75% from its record-breaking quite high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in an actually especially significant manner. At the point when basically sort of add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon in every way that really matters, is dinky, and there will commonly especially be a lot of kind of more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers sort of in every practical sense are selling dangerous resources and moving into commonly something else in every way that really matters. Stable business sectors, which generally in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Crypto for the most part certainly is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous in every practical sense. Truly play, and thus the auction, which in a real sense is very huge. Our algo still sees a sum especially green in 2023, particularly in the by and large second piece of the year in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. This by and large fundamentally is truly reflected in our 2023 expectations, which sort of generally is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. At the present time, Bitcoin especially needs to find a base before we can move in every practical sense. Genuinely inverse heading and actually really alter the course, which most certainly is very huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, Altcoins will in a real sense start to in every practical sense certainly do likewise. We in a real sense by and large have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and most certainly later history, or so they certainly generally thought. Our cost expectation model essentially sort of is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which by and large in every way that really matters is very critical. We generally expect whales and in every practical sense, other particularly greater players in the market to truly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike, which basically shows that MP explicitly is a type of digital money that goes about as security, kind of essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task. Or so they for the most part thought. Essentials that we for the most part assess fundamentally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative essentially potential, and a few pretty exceptionally other kind of exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, showing that our algo still sees us by and large truly green in 2023, particularly in the ridiculously second piece of the year in a significant manner. 2023 04050.29% $0 0037 2023 0406 plus 2.78% $0 0038 2023 04 070.52% $0 0037 2023 04 08 plus 3.35% $0 0038 2023 04 09 plus 2.15% $0 0038 2023 04 105.25% $0 0035 2023 04 113.56% $0 0036 2023 04 12 plus 3.63% $0 0038 2023 04 13 plus 2.50% $0 0038 2023 04 14 plus 2.65% $0 0038 2023 04 150.75% $0 value expectation 2023 our expectation model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2023 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023, showing how this explicitly is in every way that really matters, basically reflected in our 2023 forecasts, which for the most part basically is very huge, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2023 APRA 13.44% $0 0032 2023 May 23.17% $0 0028 2023 June 26.32% $0 0027 2023 Jul 17.02% $0